S, math subject. Okay, all of you open this rise and stand readers having the page number 82 and 83. Open this, all of you. Okay, children. Here is the ascending and descending. Ascending order and descending order. Okay, children. What is the ascending mean? First one I will take ascending. What is this ascending? It's a new word, na? Ascending is a new word. Ascending means increasing. Increasing step by step, increasing. If you go up by ladder, here is straight. See the picture? See? That baby is, the girl is going up by ladder. See, one step, second step, going up. For that we call ascending. Then here the girl is coming down. Coming down. Here is the descending. Decreasing. Here is the ascending and here is the, he is coming down, up to down, up to down. This one is a descending and down to up is a ascending. Okay, also here this one is the ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is the increasing numbers. Here is the increasing. First 1 and 2 is the increase, then 1, 2 is the increasing, then 1. Okay, I saw here decreasing. If you take like this, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one is the decreasing. Decreasing. This is the 10 is the 9 is the less than 10 and 8 is the less than 9. Here this 1 point is decreasing, na? Decreasing. 9 is the less than 10 and 8 is the less than 9. Here 1 is less than 2. Here is the Sida and here the Ulta. Here ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. got it, children? Here I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this is the ascending. Ascending. What is the descending? Descending is decreasing. Decreasing the number, less ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. Tell you only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it, children? Okay. Come to here. Write numbers 1 to 10 in the ascending order. Like this only you write. Here we have to write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is the ascending. And here descending. Descending I told you na less ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay children, finish. Here one example is given. Write number in ascending. Ascending means what? Increasing the numbers. Order one is done for you. Here they given some number. We have to put on the ascending numbers. Less than first ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay children. Here then 2 is less than 3. Then 3 I'll take. Then 3. Then 5. Then 6 and 7. Here we come. 16, 24, 22, 11, 15. Will be ascending. Ascending means increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ascending order. So we all take from this. First one 16, 24, 20, 22, 11, 15. Which number is first one here? From here to here. 11. 11 is there na? Yes. We'll write here 11. Then 12 is not here. 13 also not. 14 also not. 15 also not. 16. 16 is there. See here 16. 16 is there. Okay, write 16 here. Then after 16, 17. No. 18. No. Sorry, 15 is there na? It's already 15 is there. Write down here 15. After 15, 16 also. 16 also here. Write down here 16. Then check. 17 is there? No. 18 is there? No. 19 is there? No. 20 is there? No. 21 is there? No. 22 is there. Write down 22. Then after 22, 23 is there? No. 24 is there. 24 is there. Yes children. Like this. Finish. Come to this line. Which one is less number here? Compared to other number, which one is less? 5. 5 is less. Then 5. Then 5 is leave. Then here 20, 29, 30, 32. Which one is less? 13. 13 leave. Then 20, 29, 32. Which one is less here? 20. 29 is less than 32 na? So take 29. Then final is 32. This one is ascending order. You finish ascending order. Come to descending order. Descending order means ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6, 5, 4, 2, 1 ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಥರ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. Here is given some numbers. Here you write this one. First 11, 15, 16, 22 and 24. Here you like order wise. 13, 20, 29, 32. Okay, come to this. Which one is highest here? Yes, 17 children. 17 is higher than 11 na? Here 17 is higher than 11. We are taking descending order. Descending order. See here, descending order. One only is the less. 17. Then we will take after 17, 14 is there. 14 and 11. Then you will take 8. Sorry, 10. Then you take 8. Okay, children? Write down here order wise 17, 14, 11, 10, 8. Now we'll come to last one. First which one we have to take here? 29 is highest number. We have to take 29. After 29, 28. Then after 28, 21 is there. 21. After 21, 13 is there. 13. Then last one is 0. No number is there. Okay, write down here order wise 29, 28, 21, 13, 0. I think all of you got this ascending and descending numbers. Okay children, this one is homework for you. Here trace and write numbers 51 to 70. 51 to 70. You complete this. And this one also homework. Page number 85 and 84 is your homework. Okay children. This one you write the missing number in the correct order. Here some train is given. Here you have to write missing numbers. Two number is given already 53. Before of 53 what will come and after 53 what will come. Before 58 what number will come you have to write here. And here also 64 is given and 67 is given. Before 64 which number will come and here and after 67 which number is given you have to write this. And write number in ascending. I explain you na ascending number. This one you have to write here. And write numbers in descending order. I explain you. And write here before, between means I told you na madhya. Then after means amele. Okay children, got it? Okay, thank you.